Hey guys, today I'm taking you with me to IKEA. Now I want to get into the haul portion and show you what I ended up purchasing. Alright, I want to start with these like Kilman baskets, I think they're called. A few different sizes. They're just beautiful, woven gorgeousness. These as a planter pot is really cool to soften. I don't know, I think plants in general, we often use in design to soften and add more naturalness to a project or an area. And so this is another way of amping that soft coziness up a little bit instead of using harsh ceramics as your planter pots, which I love too. I have a lot of those, but I thought I need to stock up on some of these as well. Great for like that boho style and just anybody who likes natural fibers and textures like me. And they also have like a plastic saucer on the inside, which may just be part of the display or just to keep them intact when they're selling them. You can use them as like a water saucer because they're watertight. I couldn't help myself. I had to get these Cork Coasters. They are just that pretty warm natural color that I've been loving and add a lot of warmth and character to any coffee table scheme. They're just really cute and can be used for different things as well. I might use them as stands for decor and shelves and things. Very cute, and they look very aesthetic stacked up when you're not using them, and just as adorable when they're laid out and being used. Another woven basket option. This one's nice because it has a plastic lining inside, so definitely prevents water damage from happening from your plant. So this is a really nice sturdy option. But again, I just love these like in large scale to throw my kids' toys in and stuff, and I thought having smaller sizes that are designed for plants would be really cute to add more of that natural texture. Very beautiful, substantial, and there's even like this braided detail along the top to kind of finish it off. This foreign leg, sorry I can't speak Scandinavian, is another planter. It looks like there's a small drainage hole with a cap on it. This one is just plastic, but I liked the roundness of it. It's very soft and smooth white plastic finish, which I like. This is great too when you don't want the busyness of woven patterns and things. Something solid and white to kind of blend in with the white walls and just let the plant shine, I think is great to have on hand. Oh, there's like a little demo on the bottom. So yeah, there is like a preset spot. You can drill out that little piece if you want a drainage hole. So onto some faux plants. This little tiny guy I thought was really cute. It's just like a white plastic planter, very simple, but I was mostly attracted to the actual leaves of the faux plant. I thought were really cute with the faux variegation on them and looked pretty natural. If you place it on top of some books in a shelf, it would look pretty natural and cute. So it's a nice way to add in some interest without the maintenance of having to water a plant. All right, and then along that vein, they had a trio of more little faux plant options. And this one's kind of like a boxwood looking. This is more like a sedum, different cute leaf textures, a really nice accent somewhere. Or you can line the three up and put them in a little decorative tray and have it be its own moment as well. This Gradvis pot, this is like a ceramic. Oh, I said Scandinavian, didn't I? I don't speak Swedish is what I meant, whatever. This is a ceramic little pot. I like that it's got the thick gray band on the top and then this sort of fluted texture, very subtle and small along the bottom, which feels nice and looks really cool. So I liked this dark moody color, and it would be great to add a faux plant in to make it look a little more realistic, or you could put a real plant in it. I love the kind of heart-shaped leaves of this faux plant. The black pot itself is kind of basic, looks like, you know, like the nursery pots that you normally get. So adding it into something elevates it a little more and disguises the faux-ness of it, I think. Kind of a fun, bold leaf to play around with in styling. I love these cool vessels. I grabbed one in a more opaque black color and then a more translucent green color. I just really love these moody colors. I assume they're meant to be used as a base, putting flowers or greenery, faux elements in there for a lower maintenance option would be really great too. But I love kind of the boxy shape of them without being boxy at the same time. They're the same width all the way across and then a soft rounded edge at the top and then a very subtle lip. I just love like the low profile of them and the colors are just so pretty. So this Finesse Trash Can, I've purchased these before in white and I think the black is a new color. These would be really cool cool as planters as well. You can add drainage to them or use them like as a basket. The white ones that I got, I just used to store some kids' toys in them. A nice, simple design. I think they were cute, and I got excited to see that matte black color. Can be used for a lot more than just a trash can. All right, I got these cool little mesh shopping bag things. Great for your produce and things. Came in a set of two. One's a little bigger size, one's pretty small, but I don't know why they're just so cute. Like this whole natural macrame aesthetic and just all the detail. I think they look really cute and would be fun to throw in your purse. And I don't know, I think they'll make me happy to use them for harvesting too, all that kind of thing. It's become big to use like baskets and woven things to put on your wall. This is a way of doing it without having to buy a basket, and it can be hard to find one that's low profile and doesn't stick out. Anyway, so this is kind of that vibe, but they come in a few different sizes. Putting stuff like this in a grouping on a wall, you can fill up a big amount of space and do a whole moment over the couch or something for really cheap, and a lot cheaper than buying a huge, large-scale piece of art. So I love all the details and fibers and woven textures of these. They came in packs of 3. I think they're beautiful. My son loves them. He's already been playing with them on the floor. I had to pick up these like spice rack things. You've probably seen these before. They're just like the raw IKEA wood, really easy to put together. I think that's the idea, is to place spices in them, which I could use it for that actually. We'll see. But I thought this would be cute in my daughter's room to place books and kind of make it a little like bookshelf or toys or things. We're trying to go with that natural wood finish in her room. I thought these would be cute, and they're really inexpensive, and you can do a lot of different things with them. Use them as like shallow shelves for like wall art, to kind of layer pieces that you don't want to nail into the wall. You can use them in the kitchen not only for spice racks, but you can also use them to place your recipe books in and put like a metal rod instead of the wood that it comes with, or paint it. Yeah, I thought for a DIYer this would be a really good product to have on hand, so I grabbed 3. And we'll see what I end up using them for. One last item is sort of like those command strips to hang things. I hadn't seen it before. I thought I would try it out, but it's supposed to support 4 pounds and could be good. It has like a little hook on it, so for mounting to hang something on would be cool. So I'll test this out and see what I think. Can you say hi?
Hi.
So thank you so much for coming on this little shopping adventure with me and seeing what I got. I appreciate each of you and want to thank each of you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you watched all the way through, then you're going to enjoy all the plenty of content that I have coming up in the future. So thank you so much.
Bye, my name's Addie.
This is Addie. Oh, baby. Can I hold you?
I put this on the chest.
You gonna say anything else?
LOL.
My camera is like slowly sinking. I need to fix my tripod. Maybe I'll adjust you real quick.